know we got these. Comes with AJ Styles, Stone Cold Wilson, and The Miz and John Morrison. So I'm gonna open because I got an icy pop, icy, whatever you guys want to call it.
Dr. Book, taking into account the trauma that she experienced, and given her accuracy then and her confidence now, isn't it possible Ms. Stark correctly identified Mr. Trenway as her attacker?
Is open.
Yes. Thank you, Doctor. We'll pick up again after lunch.
First, let's pop out Kofi. Let's talk about him. I like this figure a lot, but I think this, I don't know if you guys can see, but you see like kind of like this kind of silver, like it could have been more, you know, of this silver. See where that is? Yeah, and it could have like said New Day or something on here. Not really, you know, trying to make him like New Day. See, this is Kofi Kingston. Pretty decent figure. I like it. It's pretty cool. It's kind of still rough because it's new, but you gotta get it, you know, at least.
These results aren't even close.
So yeah.
Martin Trenway could not have raped Heather Stark.
But for the most part, Kofi Kingston will be decent.
Are you ready to join the doers? Those who do more.
You know, let's crack up with Randy Orton.
The added treatment for specific types of moderate to severe asthma. Dupixent isn't for sudden breathing.
Trainer is looking okay.
It can improve lung function for better breathing in as
I'm like in the red.
and help prevent severe asthma attacks.
The high scope, pretty okay.
It can help reduce or eliminate oral steroids.
Yeah.
Can cause serious allergic reactions.
But yeah, for the most part, I don't really see anything wrong with it.
Shortness of breath, chest pain, tingling, or numbness in your limbs. Tell your doctor if
So
you
you
have
don't
a
see really
infection. And don't change or
anything
stop your asthma treatments, including
wrong with
steroids,
this
without
Randy
talking to
Orton.
your doctor. Do more with less
Except the
asthma.
torsos. No,
Talk to your
the
asthma
back
specialist
looks like
about
so
Dupixent. If your
big.
financial
If
situation
you
has
see it
changed,
here,
we may be able to help.
it's like big, so
It's go play time!
that's the only thing. This, now let's crack out the WWE Championship. The way the WWE Championship looks now, it just looks different than you have to talk to me after. Okay, I'm talking to you after. These are the biggies. Stand these up. Each one of them will win WWE Championship. But guys, if you haven't yet, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you're new. I'll see you guys in the next video. WWJ out. Peace.